I was thinking about how people start small talk, and I wondered what kind of questions make conversations more interesting.
I feel the same way because good questions can open the door to meaningful and enjoyable chats.
I enjoy starting with something simple, like asking someone what exciting thing they're looking forward to this week.
I like that approach since it helps people talk about something positive and personal.
I've also noticed that asking someone about the most memorable place they've visited creates great conversations.
I agree because travel stories usually come with emotions, details, and interesting experiences.
I often ask what surprising skill someone recently learned, since it brings out fun insights.
I love that question because it shows how people are constantly growing in small or big ways.
I find it useful to ask what song they've had on repeat lately, as it tells a lot about their mood.
I think music talk always brings energy and connection because everyone feels something strongly about it.
I sometimes ask what small thing made them smile today, since it brings out simple joys.
I appreciate that kind of question because it makes people reflect on the little moments they often forget.
I like asking who inspires them the most these days because it reveals their values.
I find that inspirational talks often lead to deeper conversations without feeling too heavy.
I enjoy asking what book or article recently taught them something new.
I feel that this question always leads to knowledge sharing and intellectual bonding.
I ask people what habit improved their life recently, as it encourages practical ideas.
I think it motivates them to reflect on personal growth and share helpful advice.
I like to ask what food they have been craving lately, since it makes the conversation playful.
I believe food talk always brings laughter and shared experiences.
I sometimes ask what hobby they would love to try if they had more time.
I enjoy hearing dreams people have but haven't acted on yet because it shows their curiosity.
I often ask what moment from last month stands out in their memory, as it brings storytelling.
I find that people love to bring up moments that made them proud or happy.
I like asking what smell instantly reminds them of childhood, since nostalgic questions are powerful.
I notice that smell related memories create the most vivid stories and emotions.
I enjoy asking what advice they would give their younger self.
I think this opens up thoughtful reflections in a gentle way.
I sometimes ask what simple thing they do to relax after a busy day.
I love how this question brings out personal routines and comforting habits.
I often ask what talent they admire in others.
I feel this question helps people express appreciation and respect.
I like asking what season of the year they find the most inspiring.
I enjoy listening to how seasons influence people's moods, creativity, and energy.
I ask what little tradition they enjoy with family or friends.
I think these traditions reveal a lot about someone's background and values.
I enjoy asking what movie scene they can never forget.
I love hearing the emotional details behind why that scene stayed with them.
I sometimes ask what interesting thing they recently noticed about themselves.
I think this question helps people reflect on personal growth in a positive way.
I like asking what compliment they received that truly meant something to them.
I enjoy hearing how words have touched their hearts in unexpected ways.
I often ask what dream destination they would explore if time and money weren't an issue.
I feel that talking about dream destinations always lights up the conversation.
I enjoy asking what small daily ritual brings them joy.
I think these rituals reveal the unique rhythm of someone's life.
I sometimes ask what creative project they would start if they could.
I love discovering what artistic ideas people keep hidden inside.
I like asking what conversation they had recently that stayed in their mind.
I find that meaningful conversations often leave footprints on our thoughts.
I often ask what unusual skill they wish they had.
I enjoy listening to the fun and imaginative answers people come up with.
I enjoy asking what tiny change improved their mood lately.
I believe these small improvements show how self aware people can be.
I sometimes ask what memory always makes them laugh.
I think laughter based memories are the easiest way to create instant connection.
I like asking what favorite tradition they celebrate during special occasions.
I appreciate learning how different cultures and families enjoy celebrations.
I often ask what scent they wish they could bottle forever.
I love how scents carry emotions and stories within them.
I enjoy asking what meaningful gift they received recently.
I feel that gifts reveal how deeply someone understands us.
I sometimes ask what topic they could talk about for hours.
I think this is the best way to learn about someone's passions.
I like asking what place in their city feels peaceful to them.
I enjoy hearing the quiet corners people go to recharge.
I often ask what new food they tried and liked.
I think food adventures always start enthusiastic conversations.
I enjoy asking what recent moment made them feel grateful.
I find gratitude stories create a warm and uplifting atmosphere.
I sometimes ask what life lesson they learned the hard way.
I believe these lessons often shape people into who they are.
I like asking what funny misunderstanding they experienced lately.
I enjoy how these stories bring humor and relatability.
I often ask what small win they celebrated recently.
I think celebrating small wins builds confidence and happiness.
I enjoy asking what habit they want to build next.
I feel that discussing habits encourages motivation and inspiration.
I sometimes ask what dream they had recently that felt vivid.
I love how dreams reveal imagination and hidden feelings.
I like asking what song reminds them of a special moment.
I think music memories are some of the strongest emotional anchors.
I often ask what little thing they enjoy doing alone.
I appreciate learning about personal space and private joys.
I enjoy asking what thing they collected as a child.
I find childhood collections reveal personality traits in a cute way.
I sometimes ask what moment today they felt most present.
I believe mindfulness moments are meaningful to discuss.
I like asking what fashion choice makes them feel confident.
I love hearing how style boosts self expression.
I often ask what part of their daily routine they look forward to.
I think routines keep life grounded and balanced.
I enjoy asking what story from their family they never get tired of hearing.
I feel that family stories carry wisdom and humor.
I sometimes ask what hobby they think everyone should try once.
I like listening to the enthusiasm behind their recommendations.
I like asking what thing they learned from someone younger.
I think younger people teach surprising and refreshing lessons.
I often ask what goal they feel excited about right now.
I enjoy hearing dreams people are actively chasing.
I enjoy asking what dessert always lifts their mood.
I find desserts always bring sweet memories into the conversation.
I sometimes ask what activity makes time fly for them.
I believe flow moments reveal someone's true interests.